Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me Pratyusha here. In this video, I want to share how we fixed a modular vinyl raised garden bed from Costco and how we prepared or filled with different soils. While filling the garden beds, we need to consider different factors like right type of soil for your plants and drainage and nutrients of the soil and pH balance. So I want to share step by step of process to prepare this one. Vita White Vinyl Raised Garden Bed of 2 pack purchased from Costco. It is of size 4 by 4 and 11 inches of depth, and we can grow any kind of vegetables in this one. Came with all different parts. They are so easy to assemble, the edges and all. They look so beautiful and they are so lightweight. After building the garden bed, it is looking like this. It is so strong with all the edges. If you do it for two garden beds, it is so deep enough. So with the dividers, it is looking like this. But we made into a large, bigger one instead of two garden beds. The first layer of the garden bed, we spread all the cardboard box papers. These boxes are Amazon boxes or the pizza boxes or the boxes from the Costco. They are browns and they will prevent the weed growth, and later they also can be mixed into the soil after some time. Top of these brown papers we spread all the dried leaves. These are the old plants from our garden only. So we put all these plants on top of this one. You can also put all the leaves and grass from your garden. That is also going to become compost. I always save this kitchen scrape from the bokashi composter bin. It is not fully done, but this is also becoming a compost. So we can put as a under the layers of the soil. It will be turning into the compost, which is very nutrient for the soil. On top of the kitchen scrape, we also spread the peat moss. Peat moss is made of decomposed organic material. It can be very well mixed with the potting mix or garden soil. It has the water holding capacity. It is great for the plants that needs acidic soil. The remaining part of the garden bed, we filled this one with three types of soil, that is Miracle Grows raised bed soil and also top soil. We also mixed it with cow manure. We purchased the small plants like tomatoes, green chilies and bell pepper from the nurseries and also from HEBs. This garden bed came with the dividers, so I like this idea. Now it is the time to put the plants into the soil. So in each divider we made the space and we put the plants into this one. We planted the chilies, bell pepper and brinjal plants as of now into this raised bed. These plants are growing well and you can see these are blooming and giving small vegetables here. Thank you for watching and please let me know your comments in the comment section. Happy gardening. See you all next time.